Hey guys, it's Crazy Coupons. Welcome back to my channel, and I hope y'all are having a great day today because I have an awesome video for you. We are going to go over all the good deals that are going on at Dollar General this week, plus we have an updated glitch list. So, before we get started, you guys know the drill. If you're not already subscribed, please consider doing so. Don't forget to hit that thumbs up button because it's a free way that you can help my channel grow. And as always, if you have any questions, comments, deals you want to share, or if you just want to say hello, I love hearing from you guys, so please leave me a comment down below before you go. And also take a minute and share this video with somebody that you know so that they can in on these deals as well. Alright guys, let's jump right in. So, for anyone who is new to couponing at Dollar General, please keep in mind that digital coupons are a one-time use only per account. Any glitches that are going on can end at any time, so it's very important that you scan each item in the app to make sure that the digital coupons do attach before you go up to checkout. And also, you want to scan each item to price check because prices do vary from store to store. Alright, so first up we have our drink deals. So we have Pepsi and Mountain Dew 12 packs. They are on sale this week, 3 for $10. And we also have Dr. Pepper, Canada Dry, A&W, and 7-Up 2 liters. They are on sale this week, 3 for $3. And we also have Coca-Cola and Sprite 2 liters. They are on sale this week, 3 for $4. We have the 32 packs of Clover Valley bottled water. They are on sale this week, 2 for $6. Next up, we have Powerades 28-ounce bottles. They are on sale this week, 3 for $3, and we have a buy 3, get 1 free digital coupon. So if you have that coupon clipped to your account, you'll pay $3 for 4. Next up, we have the Betty Crocker Suddenly Salads. They are normally $2.25 each, but this week they're on sale, buy 1, get 1 free, so you'll pay $2.25 for 2 boxes. Next up, we have the Stouffer's Animal Crackers or the Wales Cheese Crackers. They are on sale this week, buy 2, get 1 for free, so you'll pay $2 for 3. And we also have the Ragu Pasta Sauce that's on sale this week, 2 for $3. Next up, we have Lay's Potato Chips. They are on sale, 2 for $5 this week, and we have a 1-off-2 digital coupon, so that'll leave you paying $4 for 2 bags. Now, we also have that DG Store coupon for save $2 when you buy any one Lay's product and a Pepsi product. So you can wrap this up into a sweet little deal here. You can pick up 2 of the Lay's potato chips for $5, 1 of the Pepsi or Mountain Dew 6 packs for $3.75. Your subtotal will be $8.75. You're going to use the 1-off-2 Lay's digital coupon and the 2-off-2 DG Store coupon. And that's going to leave you paying $5.75 for all 3 products, making those just $1.91 each. And here's an alternative way that you can use that DG Store coupon. You can pick up 2 of the Lay's chips for $5 and 1 of the Pepsi or Mountain Dew cans 18 pack for $5.95. Your subtotal will be $10.95. You're going to use that 1-off-2 Lay's digital coupon, the 1-off-1 Pepsi or Mountain Dew 18 pack digital coupon, and the 2-off-2 DG Store coupon. You'll pay $6.95 for all 3 products, and that'll leave you paying just $2.32 each. And next up, we have an instant savings of $1 when you spend $5 on any Totino's pizzas or pizza rolls. Those are priced at $1.50 all the way up to $5. And next up, we have a really good deal on Captain Crunch cereal, Life cereal, or the Quaker Chewy granola bars. They are on sale this week, 3 for $6, and we have a 2-off-2 DG Store coupon. So you want to pick up 3 for $6, use that 2-off-2 DG Store coupon, and that'll leave you paying $4 for 3. Now, this 2-off-2 DG Store coupon for Quaker products is working on a big variety of them, so here is one option for you. You can pick up 2 of the Quaker Quick Oats 18 ounces. Those are priced at $2.95 each. Pick up 2, that's going to put you at $5.90. Use that 2-off-2 DG Store coupon, and that'll leave you paying $3.90 for 2. Or you could also pick up the boxes of Quaker Instant Oatmeal 7 count. Those are priced at $2 each. So pick up 2 of those. That's going to put you at $4. After the coupon, you'll pay $2 for 2, making those $1 each. And you can also pick up the Quaker Quick Grits 24 ounce. Those are priced at $1.95 each. Pick up 2 of those. That's going to put you at $3.90. Use that 2-off-2 DG Store coupon, and you'll pay $1.90 for 2. And next up, we received a 50-cent off 1 digital coupon for the Wonder Bread buns. So you can pick up the 8-count hamburger buns or the hot dog buns. Those are priced at $2.25. After that digital coupon is applied, that'll leave you paying $1.75. Next up, we have the Pearl Milling Company Pancake or Waffle Mix. This is priced at $2.50. We have a 1-off-1 digital coupon that's working with this, so that'll leave you paying $1.50. Next up, we have the Dunkaroos cookies. These are priced at $1.50. We have a 50-cent off 1 digital coupon, so that'll leave you paying just $1. Alright, next up, we received a 1-off-1 digital coupon for select General Mills cereals, and the Cookie Crisp cereal is included. These are priced at $3, so after that coupon is applied, that'll leave you paying just $2. Now, General Mills cereal is on sale this week, 2 for $5, so you can pick up 2 at $5. We have a $1.50 off 2 digital coupons, so that'll leave you paying $3.50 for 2. And next up, we have a really good deal on Arm & Hammer products this week. We have an instant savings of $5 when you spend $15 on Arm & Hammer brand products. And as you can see from this picture here, there's a lot included, and we do have some digital coupons, so I have a really quick deal that you can do. Alright, so for this quick little daily deal, you want to pick up one of the Arm & Hammer liquid laundry detergents, 131.25 ounces for $9. One of the Arm & Hammer dryer sheets for $3.50, and one of the Arm & Hammer scent beads for $3.50. Your subtotal is going to be $16. So your $5 in instant savings will come off first at the register, and then here are the coupons that you're going to need. We have a 1-off-1 Arm & Hammer liquid laundry detergent specifically for the 131.25 ounce bottles, and then we have 2 1-off-1 Arm & Hammer laundry products for the smaller counts. So that's going to leave you paying $8 for 3 products, making those just $2.66 each. Alright, next up we have the True Living Bath Tissue Ultra Strong or Ultra Soft 12 Mega Rolls. These are priced at $7.95. We have a 1-off-1 digital coupon, so that'll leave you paying just $6.95. Alright, next up we have Downy and Bounce Dryer Sheets. They are priced at $4.50. We received a 2-off-1 digital coupon, so that'll leave you paying $2.50. And we also received a 2-off-1 for the Gain products. So as you can see, there's a big variety to choose from. These are priced at $6.95, so after that coupon, you'll pay $4.95. And next up, we have a 3-off-1 for the Tide liquid laundry detergent, or the pods, or the Bounce dryer sheets, 240 count. I do apologize if I confused anybody in the last video, but hopefully this clears it up. So all 3 of these products are priced at $8.95. Use the 3-off-1 digital coupon, and that'll leave you paying $5.95. And then we also received this 3-off-1 for the Downy Liquid Fabric Softener, or the beads. This is on the larger counts. I think it's 150 load on the liquid fabric softener and then 14.8 ounce on the beads. So these are priced at $9.95. After the coupon, that'll leave you paying $6.95. Now here's where I think I confused some of you guys, because this 3-off-1 also includes the Bounce dryer sheets as well, the 240 count. Those are priced at $8.95. This 3-off-1 digital coupon will also work on those, so that'll leave you paying $5.95. And next up, we have a 3-off-1 for the Purex liquid laundry detergent, 128 ounces. These are priced at $7.85, so after the coupon, you'll pay $4.85. And up next, we have a buy 2 get 1 free sale this week on the Ajax, Palmolive, Fabuloso, and Suavitel products. Now, we did have digital coupons on these items at the beginning of the week, but unfortunately those have already expired. But this is still a great deal that you can throw in with your 5 off 25 this Saturday. These are priced from $2.85 to $3. And we also have a buy 2 get 1 free sale for the True Living or DG Home Oil Refills 3-pack or 5-pack. These are priced from $4.50 to $6.50. And next up, we have these Scotch-Brite sponges 4-pack. These are priced at $4.75. This week, they are buy 1, get 1 50% off. And don't forget, we do have that DG Rewards, which includes the Scotch-Brite products. And next up, we have a sale buy 1, get 1 50% off on framed art. Now, this does exclude all the items with a dot color on the tag, but these are priced anywhere from $1.50 all the way up to $15. Now, hopefully everybody got in on that clearance event last weekend and you picked up all the green dot home items that you wanted. But in case you didn't and you forgot to pick up something, these are on sale this week. Buy 1, get 1 50% off. Next up, we have a $2 instant savings on bath rugs and the Good Cook cookware. We also have a really good sale this week on the Comfort Bay pillows. So this week, they will be buy 1, get 1 for free. And next up, we have an instant savings of $1 on select Rexall vitamins. So these are priced anywhere from $2 all the way up to $7. And here's a really good coupon matchup. We have the St. Joseph aspirin, 36 count. These are priced at $2. We have a 1-off-1 digital coupon, so that'll leave you paying just $1. And next up, we have an instant savings of 25 cents on the DG Health or Rexall bandages. These are priced from $1 all the way up to $4.50. And next up, we have the Kingsford Original Charcoal 8-pound bags. These are priced at $8. We have a 2-off-1 digital coupon, so that'll leave you paying just $6. Alright, so next up we have a dog food deal. So if you want to pick up the Iams Dog Food 11-pound bags for $14.95, you're going to get one of the Pedigree Dentist Stick dog treats 20 to 24 count for free. So that'll leave you paying $14.95 for both items. And next up, we received a 3-off-1 digital coupon for the boxes of Pampers diapers. Now, these are priced at $24.95, so if you need this item, wait till Saturday, throw you in a pack of gum, and make this a 5-off-25 deal. But if you need these right now, you can pick these up for $24.95, use that digital coupon, and you'll pay $21.95. Now, we also have the Gentle Steps diapers this week. These are priced at $4.95. We received a 1-off-1 digital coupon, so that'll leave you paying $3.95. And we also received a high-value coupon of 5-off-1 for the Good Start formulas. So these are priced at $18.80. After that coupon, you'll pay just $13.80. And next up, we have another instant savings deal. So you'll instantly save $3 when you buy any 2 Tresemme shampoos, conditioners, or hairstyling products. These are priced anywhere from $5 all the way up to $9. And next up, we have another buy one, get one 50% off sale this week on the Believe Beauty skincare products. These are priced from $2 up to $5. Alright, now we're going to get into the oral care products this week. We have a lot of digital coupons, a lot of deals. So first up, we have a 2-off-1 for the Colgate mouthwash. These are priced at $5, so after the coupon, you'll pay just $3. Now, for this item, you may want to look in your clearance section. I've seen these around in a couple of the stores that I've been to. If you could find the Colgate Zero mouthwash, these are priced at $3. So after that 2-off-1 digital coupon is applied, that'll leave you paying just $1. Next up, we have the Colgate Max White toothbrush. These are priced at $3. We have a 2-off-1 digital coupon, so that'll leave you paying just $1. Next up, we have the Colgate Max Fresh toothpaste. These are priced at $2.75. We have a 2-off-1 Colgate digital coupon, so that'll leave you paying just 75 cents. Now, if you want to pick up 2 of the Colgate Max Fresh toothpaste, these are on sale, 2 for $5. You can use this 2-off-1 digital coupon and the 1-off-1 digital coupon, and that'll leave you paying $2 for 2, making those $1 each. Now, this 2-off-1 Colgate coupon is also working on the Colgate Optic White toothpaste. These are priced at $3, so after the coupon, that'll leave you paying just $1. Now, this 2-off-1 Colgate toothpaste coupon is also supposed to work on the Tom's of Maine toothpaste and the Hello toothpaste. Now, a quick story. I went into the store, tried out a couple of deals today, and I can tell you for sure that the Tom's of Maine toothpaste did not attach to the Colgate coupon in the store. However, this store was having some issues. We actually had to void the transaction, ring everything up again in order for the digital coupons to attach. I'm not quite sure what happened or why they all of a sudden started working, but the Colgate coupon did not come off on the Tom's of Maine toothpaste. However, if you get in the store, scan it, try it out, and see if it works for you. If it doesn't, fine. Just make sure that you scan it before you go up to the register so you'll know which coupon will attach. Now, if you can find this Hello toothpaste, these are priced at $4, so after that $2 coupon is applied, that will leave you paying just $2. Now, lucky for us, Dollar General did give us a 2-off-1 Tom's of Maine product, and this does work with the toothpaste, so if you want to pick up the adult Tom's toothpaste, these are priced at $5, so after the coupon, that'll leave you paying just $3, but hang on a second, it gets a little bit better. We also have a $1 rebate back on the Ibotta app right now for the Tom's of Maine toothpaste. So you're going to submit your receipt to Ibotta, you're going to get $1 back, and that'll make your final price just $2. Now, if you're not already signed up for Ibotta, I don't know what you're waiting on. I love this app and highly recommend it. I have saved so much money just by taking advantage of the rebates that they offer. And right now is a great time to sign up with Ibotta because they are throwing out these back-to-school freebies. Plus, if you use my referral code, which is on the screen here as well as down in the description box below, you will receive $10 just for using that code. I'll also receive $10, and then you're also going to get a $20 welcome bonus on top of that. So, great time to sign up and check it out and see if you like it. Alright, next up, we have the Tom's of Maine mouthwash, Wicked Fresh. Now, you may be able to find these in your clearance section. I saw one in mine the other day. These are priced at $3.60. This 2-off-1 digital coupon will also work on that, so that'll leave you paying just $1.60 out of pocket. But it gets even better because on Ibotta right now, we have a $1.30 rebate back for the Tom's of Maine mouthwash, so that's going to make your final price just 30 cents. Now, you can also use this 2-off-1 Tom's of Maine digital coupon on the Tom's Kids Strawberry Toothpaste 5.1 ounce. These are priced at $4, so after the coupon, that'll leave you paying just $2. And we also have a $1 rebate back on Ibotta for the Tom's of Maine's Children Toothpaste. So, you're going to submit your receipt to Ibotta, you're going to get that $1 back, and that'll make your final price just $1. Now, we also have the Tom's Kids Toothpaste Silly Strawberry 4.2 ounces. These are priced at $3.50, so that 2 off 1 digital coupon is attaching and working, so that'll leave you paying $1.50. And once again, you're going to submit your receipt to Ibotta. You're going to get $1 back on the Tom's of Maine's Kids Toothpaste, so that's going to make your final price just 50 cents. And next up, we have another Tom's of Maine product. We have the men's deodorant 2.25 ounce. These are priced at $3.75. After the coupon, that'll leave you paying just $1.75. Or you can also pick up the Tom's of Maine women's deodorant 1.6 ounce. These are priced at $3.75 as well. So after the coupon, you'll pay $1.75. And again, we have an Ibotta rebate for the Tom's of Maine deodorant for 65 cents back. So you're going to submit your receipt to Ibotta, get back that 65 cents. That'll make your final price just $1.10. And next up, we have more toothpaste. So if you want to pick up the Burt's Bees toothpaste, these are priced at $5. We have a 2 off 1 digital coupon, so that'll leave you paying just $3. Or you can pick up the Burt's Bees Kids Toothpaste 4.2 ounces. These are priced at $3. After the $2 coupon is applied, that'll leave you paying just $1. Next up, we have the Skintimate or Edge Shave Gel. These are priced at $3. We have a 1 off 1 digital coupon, so that'll leave you paying $2. And next, we have a pretty good deal on the Right Guard Sport Deodorant 3 ounces. These are priced at $2.50. We have a 1 off 1 digital coupon, so that'll leave you paying just $1.50. Now, you can also pick up the Right Guard Sport 2.6 ounce deodorant. Those are priced at $2.25. After the coupon, you'll pay $1.25. Alright, next up, this is a coupon that we received last week, but I didn't do a Good Deals and Glitch List video last week, so I wanted to throw this in here so that you guys know what all is included with this coupon. So you can pick up 3 of the Old Spice Body Wash 16 ounces. These are priced at $5.50 each. That's going to bring your subtotal to $16.50. After the coupon, you'll pay just $11.50 for 3. Now, this coupon also works on the Old Spice body spray or the Old Spice deodorants. These are priced at $5.15. That's going to put your subtotal at $15.45. After the coupon, you'll pay $10.45 for 3, making those $3.75 each. Now, some of the Old Spice Body Wash 16 ounce are priced at $4.50 each. You can pick up 3 of those. That's going to put you at $13.50. After the coupon, though, you'll pay just $8.50 for 3, making those $2.84 each. And you can also pick up the Old Spice deodorant 1.7 ounces. These are priced at $3.75. Pick up 3 of those. That's going to put you at $11.25. After the coupon, though, you'll pay just $6.25 for 3, making those $2.08 each. And this also works on the Gillette deodorants. These are priced at $4.50. So again, after the coupon, you'll pay $8.50 for 3, making those $2.84 each. And this 5 off 3 digital coupon is also working on the Secret Women's Deodorant. So if you pick up 3, that's going to put you at $15. But after the coupon, you'll pay just $10 for 3, making those $3.34 each. And we are almost through here. You can also use this digital coupon on the 10-count Ivory Bar Soap. Pick up 3 of those. That's going to put you at $12.75. But after the coupon, you'll pay just $7.75 for 3, making those $2.58 each. Now, this digital coupon also works on the Ivory Body Wash, the big bottles, 30 ounces. These are priced at $4 each. So after the coupon, you'll pay just $7 for 3, making those $2.33 each. Next up, we received a 3 off 2 digital coupon for the Eucerin lotion. So if you can find the 5 fluid ounce bottles, pick up 2 of those. That's going to put you at $8.10. After the coupon is applied, though, you'll pay just $5.05 for 2, making those $2.55 each. Now, some accounts received a 3 off 1 for the Eucerin lotion, so you can pick up 1 at $4.05. Use that 3 off 1 digital coupon, and that'll leave you paying just $1.05. Alright, next up, we received a ton of Degree deodorant digital coupons. So if you want to pick up the Women's Degree Dry Spray, these are priced at $5. Use this 125 off 1 digital coupon, and that'll leave you paying $3.75. Now, you can also pick up the Degree Shower Clean 4 ounce dry spray. These are priced at $2.25. So after that coupon is applied, that'll leave you paying just $1. Now, some accounts received a 150 off 1 for the Women's Degree deodorants. So if you want to pick up the dry spray at $5, use this coupon. That'll leave you paying $3.50. Now, this 150 off 1 digital coupon also works on the Degree Solid deodorant. So these are priced at $4.35. After the coupon, that'll leave you paying just $2.85. And this 150 off 1 also works on the Degree Shower Clean 4 ounce dry spray. Those are priced at $2.25. So after the coupon, that'll leave you paying just 75 cents. Now, we also received a 3 off 2 for the Degree Women's Deodorant. If you want to pick up 2 of those dry sprays at $10 after the coupon, you'll pay $7 for 2, making those $3.50 each. Or you could pick up 2 of the Degree Solid Deodorants for $8.70. After the coupon, you'll pay $5.70 for 2, making those $2.85 each. Or you could also pick up 2 of the Degree Shower Clean 4-ounce dry sprays. That's going to put you at $4.50. After the coupon, you'll pay just $1.50 for 2, making those 75 cents each. Next up, we have the Degree Men's Deodorant. So if you want to pick up the dry sprays, again, they're priced at $5. Use the 125 off 1 digital coupon, and that'll leave you paying $3.75. Or you can pick up 2 of the dry sprays. That's going to put you at $10. We have a 3 off 2 digital coupon, and we also have a save $2 when you spend 6 on Degree deodorant products. So that'll leave you paying just $5 for 2, making those $2.50 each. Now, some accounts may have received a $1.50 off one for the Degree men's deodorants as well. So if you want to pick up the Degree solid deodorants, those are priced at $4.35. Again, after the coupon, you'll pay $2.85. Now, if you want to pick up 2 of the Degree men's solid deodorants, that's going to put you at $8.70. Use the 3 off 2 digital coupon. That'll leave you paying $5.70 for 2. Now, you can also pick up 2 of the Degree men's solid deodorants at $8.70. Use that 3 off 2 manufacturer coupon and use the Save 2 when you spend 6 DG store coupon, and that'll leave you paying $3.70 for 2. Now, hopefully y'all saw this in my community post earlier today, but just in case you didn't, this is a today only deal. If you have that 1-off-1 beauty bag exclusive coupon for the Degree deodorant, you can pick up 1 of the Degree travel size deodorants for $1 and 1 of the Degree 2-pack deodorants for $5. You're going to use that 1-off-1 exclusive coupon and the 2 off 6 DG store coupon, and that will leave you paying just $3 for 3, making those $1 each. Next up, we have the CoverGirl Mascara. These are priced at $5. We have a 2 off 1 digital coupon, so that'll leave you paying just $3. Or you can also use this 2 off 1 digital coupon on the CoverGirl Eyeliner 2 count. These are priced at $4.50, so after the coupon, you'll pay $2.50. Next up, we received a 4 off 1 DG store coupon for the Bic razors. So you can pick up the Bic Sensitive 2 10-pack razors for $7. After the coupon, you'll pay just $3. Now, there are also several Bic razors that are priced at $6. So first here we have the Bic Flex 4. And we also have the Bic Hybrid 6 count. And then we also have the women's Bic Simply Soleil Click 6 count razors. These are all priced at $6. So after that 4 off 1 digital coupon is applied, that'll leave you paying just $2. Now, this 4 off 1 digital coupon is also working on the Bic Soleil 4 count razors. These are priced at $5. So after that coupon, that'll leave you paying just $1. Alright, next up, we received a 1-off-1 DG store coupon for Bic stationery products. Now, there is a big variety that you can choose from, but if you want to pick up the Bic Crystal Bold 8-pack pens, these are priced at $1.65, so after that digital coupon is applied, that'll leave you paying just 65 cents. Or you can also pick up the Bic Extra Fun Pencils 6 count. These are priced at $1.25, so after the coupon is applied, that'll leave you paying just 25 cents. Alright, next up, we received some new Suave lotion coupons. So we have a 1-off-1 Suave lotion. You can pick up the 32 fluid ounce Suave lotions. These are priced at $4.75, so after the coupon, you'll pay just $3.75. Or you can also pick up the 18 fluid ounce Suave lotions. These are priced at $3, so after that 1-off-1 digital coupon is applied, that'll leave you paying just $2. And this coupon is also attaching to the 10 ounce Suave lotion. So those are priced at $2 at my store. Some stores are priced at $1.95. So just make sure that you scan it to be sure. But after that 1-off-1 digital coupon is applied, that'll leave you paying just $1. Next up, some accounts received a $1.50 off 1 for the Suave lotion. So you can pick up the 32 fluid ounce for $4.25. After that coupon's applied, that'll leave you paying $2.75. Or, again, you could also pick up the 18 fluid ounce for $3. After that $1.50 off 1 digital coupon is applied, that'll leave you paying $1.50. And here's an even better deal. So you can pick up the Suave lotion 10 ounce for $2. Use that $1.50 off 1 digital coupon, and that'll leave you paying just 50 cents. Now, we also have a DG store coupon for save $2 when you spend 6 on Suave products, and that does look like it is stacking in the app with the Suave manufacturer coupons. So here is one option for you. You can pick up one of the Suave lotion 32 ounces for $4.75 and one of the Suave lotion 10 ounces for $2. That's going to put your subtotal at $6.75. You're going to use the 2 off 2 manufacturer coupon and the 2 off 6 DG store coupon. That is going to leave you paying $2.75 for 2. And here's another option for you. You can pick up 2 of these Suave lotions, 18 ounces. Those are priced at $3 each. Use the 2 off 2 manufacturer coupon and the 2 off 6 DG store coupon, and that will leave you paying $2 for 2, making those $1 each. And you could also pick up 3 of these Suave 10-ounce lotions for $6. Use the 2 off 2 manufacturer coupon with that 2 off 6 DG store coupon, and that'll leave you paying $2 for all 3. Alright guys, so for these next couple of deals, I do want to stress that I have not tried these out in store yet. I'm just going off of what the app is showing, but if this works, it's going to be awesome, and I will update you guys in the pinned comment below, or I'll make a post in the community tab. So if this works, you can pick up 3 of these Suave 10-ounce lotions for $6. Use the 1 off 1, the 2 off 2, and the 2 off 6 DG store coupon, and that should leave you paying just $1 for all 3. Now, if you have that $150 off 1, you can pick up 3 of the Suave 10-ounce lotions, use the $150 off 1, the 2 off 1, and the 2 off 6. That'll leave you paying just 50 cents for all 3. But again, I will try these in store and give you guys an update. Alright, so now we're going to run through this glitch list really quickly. We have the Kingsford Charcoal 6.2 pound bags. These are priced at $5. This 2 off 1 digital coupon is attaching, leaving you paying just $3. Next up, we have the 1 count Puffs facial tissues. These are priced at $1.60. We have a 50-cent off 1 digital coupon, so that'll leave you paying just $1.10. Next up, we have the Downy Citrus and Vanilla Fabric Softener, 34 ounces. These are priced at $2.95. We have a 2 off 1 digital coupon, so that'll leave you paying just 95 cents. Alright, and next up, here's kind of a weird glitch that's going on, but we have the Axe Body Spray Anarchy Scent, 5.1 ounce. These are priced at $4.35. We have a 150 off 1 Degree Women's Dry Spray Deodorant coupon that's attaching, leaving you paying just $2.85. And next up, we have the CoverGirl Cheekers. Now, I know this is a rare item, but you may find it out there in your clearance section somewhere, so I'm going to tell you about it. These are priced at $3. This 2 off 1 digital coupon is working with it, so that'll leave you paying just $1. And someone left me a comment asking about this glitch. We still have the Olay 2 count bar soap. You want to pick up 3 of those. That's going to put you at $7.50. Use that 5 off 3 digital coupon, and that'll leave you paying $2.50 for all 3. Next up, we have the Bic Simply Soleil Women's Razors 3 count. These are priced at $3. That 4 off 1 digital coupon is working with this, leaving you paying just 1 penny. And this 4 off 1 digital coupon is also working on the men's Bic Flex 3 3-pack disposable razors. These are priced at $4, so after that coupon is applied, that'll leave you paying just 1 penny. Next up, we have the blue or black 10 count Bic pens. These are priced at $1. We have this 1 off 1 DG store coupon, so that'll leave you paying just 1 penny. And here's some older glitches, but I wanted to remind you guys before they expire. So we have the Always Discreet 26 count liners. These are priced at $3. We have this 2 off 1 digital coupon that's glitching, leaving you paying just $1. And we also have a 3 off 2 digital coupon that's glitching and working with these Always Discreet 26 count liners. So pick up 2 of those. That's going to put you at $6. After the coupon, you'll pay $3 for 2. Next up, we have the 2 count of Glade plug-in warmers. These are priced at $3.25. We have a 1 off 1 digital coupon that's glitching and leaving you paying just $2.25. And next up, we have a freebie. So if you can find the Vicks Cherry Cough Drops 20 count, these are priced at $1. You can find those in the dollar aisle. We have a 1 off 1 digital coupon, and that'll make it completely free. And we also still have this freebie. It is on the Folgers Single 7 count. These are priced at $1. We have a 1 off 1 digital coupon that makes them completely free. Next up, we have the little 6 count Tasty Cake Donuts. These are priced at $1. We have a 50-cent off 1 digital coupon, so that'll leave you paying just 50 cents. And this 50-cent off 1 digital coupon is also working on the 2 count Pecan Swirls. Those are also priced at $1, so after the coupon, you'll pay just 50 cents. Next up, we have a 1 off 2 Clorox coupon that is working on the 9 count Clorox wipes from the dollar aisle. So you want to pick up 2 of those for $2. Use the 1 off 2 digital coupon, and that'll leave you paying $1 for 2, making those 50 cents each. And of course, we cannot forget about the BioFreeze patches. So you want to pick up 1 of the BioFreeze patches for $1.75. We have a $2.50 off 1 digital coupon, so that'll make it completely free, plus give you 75 cents in overage. And we also still have the 2 off 1 BioFreeze, so pick up 1 of those patches for $1.75, use the 2 off 1 BioFreeze, that'll make it completely free and give you 25 cents in overage. Alright, and last but not least, we have some really good filler items. So we have 3 Lysol products that you can find in the dollar aisle. We have the 15 count wipes, we have the toilet bowl cleaner, and we have the multi-purpose cleaners. So those are all $1 found in the dollar aisle. We have 3 50-cent off 1 Lysol coupons. So after those are applied, that will leave you paying just 50 cents. Alright guys, so that's it for me for now. That was over 100 good deals, coupon matchups, and glitches in under 30 minutes. So I hope this video was helpful for you, and I hope you all enjoyed it. I am kind of losing my voice here at this point, but thank you guys for hanging in there with me, and I do really appreciate all the well wishes that you guys sent me. I am feeling a little bit better now, so hopefully here in a few days I'll be back 100%. So before you go, if you're not already subscribed, please consider doing so. Don't forget to hit that thumbs up button because it is a free way that you can help your girl out. And as always, if you have any questions, comments, deals you want to share, or if you just want to say hello, I truly love hearing from you guys. So please leave me a comment down below before you go, and also take a minute to share this video with somebody that you know so that they can get in on these deals as well. Alright guys, I hope you have a great week. Thank you all so much for watching, and I will see you on the next one.